guessed on the tune-up for the dig race because I've literally never made a pass in the truck, and it went unwell.
Was that that white truck?
Yeah, I spun for literally the start to the finish.
Cruise is nice.
Drives great.
It's quiet.
It's got overdrive too. And lock up.
Does it have seatbelts?
Yes, it has seatbelts. There's nothing scary about this. You've never been in any of my cars, have you?
I have not. Got some money. I wasn't expecting that. I have a feeling you're going to do something when we get out of this neighborhood that's not going to make it a regular turn.
Cool.
I ain't got nothing to hold on to.
Just sit back.
God damn it. I don't know about this.
Kenzie, you're already in it, you're strapped in.